I love Python. A Python just saved me an hour of mind-numbing copy-paste tasks of work to get done. It did it in 2 minutes thanks to Claude Code. This is so much fun and unlocks whole new levels. So if you're playing with AI, please eventually get to VS Code and start playing with Codex. This is for all the people that are not developers. If you're a developer, scroll on. This isn't for you. You know how to do this already. But for us non-techie like developers, like just the workflow of how to use pretty much just Python just to run a Python program, you don't have to write the program. You don't even have to know what's going on in the program. Just how to hook up, set up the environment, and then hook up Claude Code to it. Oh my God, so much superpower. So let me show you this like example. Here's the case study. I used to keep all my subscriptions inside ClickUp. It was great because it synced with your calendar and you could add metadata like what's the monthly cost, the annual cost, payment, type, business, personal, and so forth. So I have a list of 36 subscriptions I need to export and then import them into TickTick. Just for context, I organize everything I have to do, task management, project management in my work and my personal life, all in TickTick. It's like $4 a month. You have a work list, a personal list, and then I recommend a subscription list basically. So I had to import all the stuff from ClickUp into TickTick, but TickTick doesn't have a native API. So then you go down to Claude and you say, hey Claude, can you, and all it took was a prompt. I was like, one, I already built an integration previously, so he already knows how to interact. Like it's basically like an MCP or an API to TickTick already. So that was already there. So I said, hey, go read the README file on how that connection works. And this is what I want to do. I just told him the exact thing. So then I go get my laundry and Claude is going along. I was like, yeah, don't worry. Just give me permission. And was like, yeah. And then organize. And then he's like, bing, I come back and he's like, yo, I'm done. And I was like, what do you mean you're done? He's like, yeah. I imported all 36 tasks. And then I also, this was super cool, I also matched the name, added the due date, tagged which ones were business, which ones were personal. And then I broke down in the description, basically the monthly cost recurring, the payment type, the type, and the link when you to cancel for billing, super important. Highly recommend when you track subscriptions, add this metadata. So it organized all that. So in TickTick, I recommend you have a goals list, a work list, a personal list, and a subscription list. A read later is also nice. And now it imported, these are all the new ones, imported, categorized, labeled, added the due dates. And then for each one, it broke it down this nice little and said this payment all ready to go in subscriptions. All that. This would have took me like an hour of copy paste. But give it to Claude and have Python as your foundation language, you could automate so much in your business and life. So if you're in the mastermind, we're going to go much deeper into how to use Python to automate your work because this is such a superpower and you don't have to learn how to code. Once you understand the workflow, Claude, ChatGPT Codex, whatever. You can even do it cheaply using Gemini 2.5 Flash connecting to OpenRouter. So all of this that you get, we're going to go so much deeper. So sign up for the mastermind and learn how to automate your life with Python and Claude.